In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to access Grok for free, or will I say you can still be able to access Grok for as good as accessing it for free. Now, we all know that Grok has added a paid feature when you open Grok, that is when you open it on your PC or you open it on your mobile phone. They will tell you that you will need to pay before you can be able to generate whatever you want to generate. Now, while there are other AI video generators, Grok is one of the most used AI video generator that everybody likes. Like, the outcome of Grok is usually insane. And yes, this is one tip I need to tell you. This Grok that was made paid for everybody was not made paid for those that are using X Premium. I mean the premium users of X. And yes, if you're an X Premium user, that is a Twitter Premium user, and you think that Grok is still paid for you, no, 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 no. I think you should go and check it out. And the only thing is you will need to sign in with your X account. That is your Premium X account. Anyways, without much talk, let's go into how you can be able to access Grok for free. So what you have to do is you open your browser. You are not going to be opening the app directly. You would open your browser and you will log into your X account, meaning you search for x.com, not twitter.com, x.com, and then you would either sign in with your Google account, that is the Google account you want to use, or you can sign in with your X account if you already have an X account. For me, I'm logging in with my Google account because I basically use my Google account to create my X account. So when your X account opens, what you will do is you would have to go to, you see your profile picture that is showing at the top of the screen. You see the profile picture, you see X, and you see subscribe. What you do is you click on your profile picture that is at the top of the screen and you click on premium. You go to premium. When you click on premium, you allow it to load. When it loads up, you will see premium at the discounted price of 3,008, and this is a 50% off for 2 months. You will see the basic plan for 3,000, and basically you will see the prices at a lot of discounted rates. But remember, what we want to do is we want to be able to get Grok AI basically for free. So as you can see, with the premium version of Grok, you're not paying 7,600. It has been slashed to 3,800, and with this you get a verified check mark on your Twitter account, that is your X account. And the final thing, which is one of the most important thing that we are looking for, is that you will get enhanced Grok access, meaning that you would be able to use Grok access. Now remember that Grok is paid, right? And when you want to use Grok, that is when you impute it, you'll be seeing that you will need to pay a $30 fee, right? If you remember, as you're seeing it on the screen. But if you follow this process, you are even paying less than $5, $4. What am I even saying? How much is this? You're paying way, way less than the amount. You would guess advanced analytics, but anyways, as I said, what we are looking for is the advanced Grok access. If you're looking for just the basic plan, that means you don't really need anything with Grok, as you are seeing the premium plan. But if you're looking for the premium plus, you can see the premium plus gives you super Grok, gives you fully ad free and a lot of things. But the thing is, you do not want to spend a lot of money. The same thing you would get with the premium, you will still get it on the premium plus. It's just that the premium plus will be slightly better than the premium. Who knows? What we just want is for us to be able to get Grok. So what you will do is you click on subscribe, you click on subscribe and pay. So basically what you're doing is you're about to pay 3,800 naira, which should be around $3 for 2 months of using Grok AI. So you can either pay with link or you can add your card details to pay. Put your card details and pay, you will be granted access to Grok AI. Basically, you can just pay the 3,800 and that is all. And when you do it, you just log in your Twitter account or your X account onto your laptop. That is if you edit with your laptop, and then log into Grok using that your account. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And yes, one thing is, do not forget to remove your card. Do not forget to remove your card from your Play Store or your Apple Store immediately you have subscribed. It has a reason, and the reason is so that you will not be billed when you've forgotten that your card was put to Grok AI, so that they will not remove the $40 or the $30 fine later on, that is after 2 months. But if you're ready for it and you do not mind, you would want to pay it, then why not? You'd close your eye and make the payment. I'm sure this video was very helpful, and yes, you would start generating using Grok AI. Now, when you've paid this very little fee, what you really need to do is to remove your card from either your Play Store or your Apple Store, so that the reoccurring pay, so that you will not be charged after the time that was given to you, so that you not go and cry later. Anyways, I know this video was helpful. I would see you in my next video, and as always, peace.